Hello friends, this is Nisha. Welcome to my channel Single Solution to All Problems. My last video was on what the cartoon programs teaching to our kid. In that video I discussed the cartoon programs for the age group of 2.5 years to 4 years. And this video I will discuss the cartoon programs which is completely new to your kids. And if you have not watched the previous video, the link is in the description box and also on the I button. So please after this video go and watch that video also. It will also very helpful for you. Now it's time to tell for which cartoon programs you need to say completely no to your kids. First is Fukri Boys. It also comes on the Discovery Kids and it comes in Hindi and English both. Again, the English they are speaking is Indian English, but the cartoon their theme is just the purpose of creating humor, just to make the kids enjoy. But with this purpose they are not fulfilling the राइट पर्पस ऑफ कार्टून प्रोग्राम्स कि वो बच्चों को जो एक सही चीज़ होती है कि आप खेल खेल में चीज़ें सिखा रहे हैं, ये उस पर्पस को फुलफिल नहीं कर रहा है. इन दिस देर आर मीन्स लाइक द फुकरे मूवीज दे आर 3 mischievous boy who don't want to study, who like their ma'am, and whose only purpose is just to who are always standing outside the class like a bull. And I don't like this cartoon program, and it is in this there is only a 3 mischievous boy whose only purpose is just to create the just to do the mischievousness, to create the humor. So it is a completely no for your kids. It is not the good programs because it is not fulfilling its purpose. Next cartoon program is again the Badbudri. It was also coming on the Discovery Kids and on some other cartoon channels also it is coming. So again it also come in Hindi and English both, but again it is not fulfilling its purpose. Again in this there is only the 2 mischievous boys whose purpose is just only to किसी को दूसरों को परेशान करना उनका पर्पस, एंड जस्ट टू फाइंड दी शॉर्टकट्स ऑफ सक्सेस. वो सक्सेस होने के शॉर्टकट्स फाइंड आउट करने की कोशिश करते हैं. एंड again the only the 2 mischievous boys just to their only purpose is just to create the humor, and which is of course not our purpose for our kids, just to create the humor. And the third for which you need to say completely no to your kids is Doryman. Doryman is a cartoon program which of course comes in Hindi, but the language their Hindi is very pure and it is a very enjoyable cartoon program. And there is no mischievousness in this cartoon program. But the main cartoon character in this cartoon program is Nobita, whose only purpose is who is just a crying boy who is always crying, don't want to wake up early, don't want to go school, and his only purpose is just to impress a girl whose name is Sujeka. And there is a robot Doryman who has the gadget for everything, and he just always crying in front of the Doryman, Doryman please help, please help, please help. सो ये बहुत ही रोंदू टाइप का कार्टून प्रोग्राम है. मीन्स एक बहुत ही लूज़र सा बॉय है नोबिता जो हमेशा डोरेमोन के सामने रोता ही रहता है. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू मी इट इज़ नॉट अ गुड प्रोग्राम. इट इज़ नॉट टीचिंग एनीथिंग टू योर किड. इट इज़ जस्ट enjoyable. It is enjoyable because the story they are showing is very involving. वो बहुत ज़्यादा इन्वॉल्व हो जाते हैं बच्चे स्टोरी में, the way they are dealing with the problem. But the ultimate thing is I don't like the character in this, the main character Nobita. So I think it is a completely no for your kids. So these were some list of my cartoon programs which are good for the kids and which are not good for the kids. I hope this is helpful for all of you, and if you have some recommendation please comment me in the comment section. I love to read your comments. Thank you so much.